Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming system requirements and signing into Google. This is critical because the app links to your account. Once signed in, choose which Google Drive account to connect. Make sure to enable two-step verification if you use it. It protects synced files. After authentication, the installer asks for basic permissions. Grant them so the app can access Drive and Photos. This lets you proceed directly to folder selection without repeating setup steps. Now focus on what to sync and why. Pick My Drive folders when you need cloud copies, or Mirror when you want local replicas for offline work. Then, add local folders, documents, desktop, pictures, so they back up automatically. Make sure to set upload limits to prevent saturating your network. If you have many large videos, choose lower photo/video upload quality to save space. Once set, the app displays a summary. Review it carefully, because changes affect storage and transfer behavior. Finish by starting the sync and watching the status icon in the taskbar. It shows progress and errors. If you see file conflicts, decide which version to keep, local or cloud, or rename duplicates to preserve both. Monitor the activity pane for stalled uploads. Make sure your internet connection is stable and storage quota isn't exceeded. If problems persist, restart the app, sign out and sign in again to refresh tokens, and only then contact support. That usually resolves authorization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.